back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign in or log in to your Ace Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Ace application on your device. Now, you may be prompted to enter your 4-digit PIN here. If you have forgotten your PIN and you know your password, click on Exit PIN button, which is at the top left corner of your screen. If you remember your PIN, you can simply type the PIN here and you can get logged into your account. Now, if you want to log in with your password, you need to type in your username on the username field. After that, type in your password on second field here. After typing in the password, you can click on I button to view your password to make sure that you have typed it correctly. Or if you have forgotten your password, click on Forget Password link, which is at the bottom of your screen. Follow the procedures and you can reset your password. After that, click on Login button to log into your Ace Crypto account. So that is how you can log into your Ace Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.